Thank you for choosing Premier Roofing. Our team is planning to start your project very soon. Before that happens, I wanted to personally reach out with some information that you can expect from our team. I also wanted to give you some helpful tips to better prepare for your project.
Friendly tip number 1. Move any vehicles out of the driveway. This will help us get closer to the house with our dump trailer to remove the old shingles. The closer materials are, the quicker and easier the job will be. Tip number 2. Free the perimeter of your home. Please remove any valuable or breakable items and remove patio furniture. Tip number 3. Have any samples ready to return to the foreman. Here's what you can expect on your date of replacement. The crew will arrive to begin prep work. Tarps will be laid out to help protect against damage from falling debris, and they'll begin to tear off the old shingles and paper. Next, new shingle and any other necessary materials will arrive. You can expect a formal introduction from the foreman. They'll review any specifics about your replacement and answer any questions you may have. The foreman will keep you informed of all progress. Often, crews will work from sunup to sundown, so dump trailers may stay overnight depending on the time of day. Upon completion, you'll walk through with the foreman, and we promise your 100% customer satisfaction is guaranteed. After the walkthrough is complete, payment for the roof will be collected by the foreman and you'll receive an emailed receipt.
Again, we appreciate and value your business. It's my goal to provide you with complete satisfaction with the project. If you have any questions or issues, please don't hesitate to contact our office, and I will guarantee that we will do our best in solving any issues you may have. So once again, on behalf of our team here at Premier Roofing, thank you. We look forward to serving you, your neighbors, your family, and your friends for years to come. And as always, Premier Roofing has you covered.